Greetings, this is Beauty ETC and I am Beauty ETC. I am a makeup enthusiast, I'm a makeup artist, and I love all things beauty. Thank you for coming to my channel. I'm so happy for you to be here. If you are my loyal subscriber, if you have been watching, if you always watch my videos, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you. And if you are stopping by for the first time, consider subscribing, consider thumbing up my video, liking my video, and consider leaving a comment. I will definitely respond and it will mean the world to me. In this video, we will be highlighting, as you can see, the elephant in the room is that I have two different eye looks going on. And I will tell you a little bit about that in a minute. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette again that I will be using, or that I used to achieve this makeup look. Okay, this is the Pinkyrose Bright Light eyeshadow palette. I decided to give Pinkyrose another chance, and it comes in a sleeve like this. You take it off, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It has this umber thing going on, greens, purples, yellows, blues, pinks. It's really pretty, and it looks like this inside. Of course, you know that their packaging is always pretty, and I decided to play in this palette today. It looks like so very, very pretty. Yes, I decided to play in, it's so playful that, you know, you just want to play, and that's one thing I like about their palettes. I played in greens and blues and lemon greens. I played with Cupcake, which is the pressed glitter. I also played in Tiki and Becky, which are pinks. Well, this is a purple base pink or blue toned pink. That is a blue toned pink, and this is, I do not know how to describe that color, but it's very pretty. And I was just having fun, and so I came up with two looks. My daughter prefers the more green eye going on, and I like this. I like both of them. I like how I was able to mix colors together and achieve this look. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, kindly stay tuned for the next clip. Thank you for watching, and see you at the outro clip to tell you what I feel about this palette in case you are thinking of purchasing from Pinkyrose Cosmetics.
Pinkyrose Cosmetics is a Latina brand founded by three sisters, Gina, Michelle, and Delila Huerta. They started from New York. I think their headquarters is also in New York, and the brand actually started producing products in 2014. I just got to know about them in 2021, which was last year, when I purchased my first Pinkyrose eyeshadow palettes. So I'm trying it on just now. It's been in my makeup drawer for a long time. This is the Pinky Brights palette. Like I said in my intro, very, very playful, very fun. You know, you just look into it and you just want to play. I like palettes like this. So I'm going to be using Becky and Tiki. Well, I already used Becky and Tiki as my transition color on my right eye. I am using Boom, which is a blue. It's a beautiful blue color. And just deepening my crease with that color. I'm doing the same for the second eye. I'll be creating some kind of cut crease here. So I'm creating my base, and now I'm going into Punky, into that blue. So I have that teal green blue going on in my crease before I place my cut crease base down. Again, this is another woman woman-owned brand, and I'm all over it as usual. For my right eye, I'm going to go into Cupcake. Hopefully, if you have the palette, just telling you the exact eyeshadows, and I'm super stoked at how pigmented those glitters are. On the other eye, I'm using Smash. That's the left eyelid. I'm going to create some drama in my bottom lashes. I'm going to be using Becky and Punky on the right eye, and I'm going to use Cloud and Becky on the left eye. As you can see, this palette is very playful, very fun palette. And to the second star of the show is this Sephora collection colorful eyeshadow. The Sephora collection eye pencil in green, amazing. Didn't move, didn't budge even while eating. But I changed my lip color, of course, to a pink no name matte lip color. But this color is fire. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had fun. Stay tuned for the outro.
So, if you are thinking of choosing between Obsessed and Bright Lights, you should choose Bright Lights, because I prefer, this is my opinion, I prefer Bright Lights because Bright Lights was very playful, and it has glitter, pressed glitter. You have 3 pressed glitters in it. You have Cupcake, you have Dazzle, and you have Tickle. The color is so beautiful, and so it's also playful. You have all these bright colors. They just make you happy. Colors make me happy, so this was a definite win-win for me. So this is the Bright Lights palette by Pinkyrose Cosmetics. I prefer this palette to the Obsessed palette. All right.